So y'all, so I'm gonna try out a new thing where pretty much get mic'd up and say out loud whatever's on my mind. So yeah, people have always wondered, especially, I don't know if JNanjoe's watching this, but she's always like, man, I really just want to know what goes in your mind when you shoot. So trying it now, JNanjoe. So here we go. So, pocket this slowly, prepare for the two. To this side. Oh, I should have looked at the angle. Anyways, so I'll follow this with right. And hopefully it can get on 3. Possibly go under the 9 and 5. Let's get it. Ooh, that was sexy. That's probably one of the best things about pool, or what I love about pool, is that, okay, I always gotta remind myself to look at the next ball. And hopefully you can get a nice lead. Just only don't gotta hit it. I'm trying to see if my mic gets hit with this stick. 4 for the 5. And also I gotta set up for the 5 where I have an easy shot on the 6. Hey, it's kind of different having a mic right under me, man. I'm actually talking. Just gonna draw it a little bit. All right, I look at the 5. Probably can settle over here. It's kind of tough. Yeah, that should be good. Bottom right. Too much. That's all good. Cut it. I can either go around this way or I can do it inside, but I might hit it somewhere over here, so I'll just go around. Kinda top left, center left. Cool, cool, cool. Dang, this is my first rack too. First try of the day, so I might be able to run this out. I gotta run it out. It's just like a kind of middle with a little inside. So I'm just gonna follow this back here. Perfect. And for the 9. Yeah, hit that kind of bad. All right. Guess what I'm going to talk about is just, what I'm doing now is trying new things. So I think it's smart, or I recommend people to try stuff, man. Of course I'm doing it, I'm relating it to pool, but whatever you're doing in your life, just try new stuff, because you just never know what can really, bring you to that next level. And it's kind of tough talking to and trying to focus on how I'm going to run it out. So hold up. Let me try to see how I'm gonna run it out. So, 1 there, 2 there, 3, same pocket as 2. Come back a little bit. 4, draw a little bit. 5, 6, that way, come back. 7, 8, 9. All right, let's see if I'm able to accomplish that. All right, so what I was talking about is trying stuff, right? Yeah, trying new stuff, because especially if you have a, pretty good intuition about it. Because, dang stuff. So I'm just, man, this is so much stuff going on at the same time. So I'll just try to run down. And I'll just walk you through, I guess. We'll see. All right, so how am I gonna do this for the 3? I know that if I draw it right there, I'll probably just do low. And then with a little inside. Ooh. I love it when it just goes where I want it to be at, or does whatever I want it to do. It's perfect. Ooh, might be too much, but it's better than being straight. So I just need to bring the ball somewhere over here. can't wait to go to the tournament today or next weekend. It's fine too. And actually try to record. Probably won't do it like this where I have a lav mic because it's kind of tough, but at the same time it's too much, bro. It takes a little pressure, I guess, as I'm like focusing on other things and all my shots. So I'm just letting my subconscious flow, which is a good thing, of course. I don't even know where that was going, honestly. Yeah. Just try to do a little top left, or like center left. I'm just testing this out, man, so I probably won't upload this. But just might, because I'm trying new things, and that's the point of me saying to try new stuff. God dang it. Should probably start getting around and just try to do a 3-ball drill. Let's do that actually. Take it easy. Alright, we're gonna do a 3-ball drill. Both of y'all can't go in, dang. So I'm gonna go in order. So I'm gonna go 1, 4, 6. Alright, so we're gonna call the pockets on each one and see where we want to put the balls. You know what I'm saying? And I think I'm gonna do 10 tries and see what we do. So obviously I'm gonna do ball in hand first. So one ball in hand, probably I like to shoot this way instead of coming back. So I'll probably just start this way, bring the cue ball over there, and then put the 4 over there, come back and make the 6 in this pocket. So let's do that and see if we accomplish it. All right, always look back at the next ball. Get the next angle and execute. So let's see if we can do it. A little straight, but we can draw this back here. A little angle though. Too bad, too soft. Let's shot. First try. Alright, 1-0. 1-0. So this drill is from Thor Lowry. That's where I got it from. But anyways, that's about it. Ooh. Might have to do the combo with this. I do the combo. Really, we'll just try to follow this, and we'll follow it. Put the 1 and the 3 in the same pocket, and then of course 4 on the side. So let's get it. And of course, there's a lot of ways to run a rack or run a pattern. So pick. I'm gonna say identify your strengths. If you like drawing, then try to find angles where you can draw. But if not, if you like follow, then find an angle that, you know. Just thought I'd keep it real. I have to go back and forth. I'm back here, somewhere here, draw it back, just get it. Just bottom. Come back for that 8. This pocket over here. Come on. A little short, but you gotta deal with the cards that you dealt with. Excuse me. I like shooting these with inside English. I don't know why, but I feel more comfortable with it. So obviously I missed. 2 for 4. Man, this is kind of tough. Talking. And of course, this is new to me, but it's all good. Okay, 4 over there. Obviously 7 to 8, so we can leave somewhere over here so that we can just hit it slow. Make the 8, 7 will be here, cue ball will be somewhere there. So let's get it. That's the center. Of course, we gotta hit this right. So. Perfect. Let me check to see if this is recording. I'd be stupid if this wasn't recording at all. Okay, it is. Whew. Boy, oh boy. So check cam. It's good. So was that 3 for 5? Yeah, 3 for 5. So that's gonna land. Simple, I guess. That. Let's come back a little bit. 6 over there. Perfect angle. Bottom. A little finesse. That way. Let's go. What's that? 4-6. But yeah, man, try new shit, man. Because, you know, you gotta evolve. And I feel like with my content, it was gonna get stuck somewhere. And I feel like I gotta go a different avenue. And, you know, of course, that's part of the process, though, is trying stuff and see what works, see what doesn't work. I feel like doing, like, kind of like, you know how, like, I don't know if you guys know Devontae Friga. If I remember, I'm gonna try to put some clips up, but he pretty much plays plays basketball, and he uploads his runs and stuff like that on YouTube. And he's doing pretty well, you know what I mean? And I feel like I can take that route with pool and, you know, go from there. I feel like I'm excited, man, especially. I went ahead and bought the lav mic, like my coworker just confirmed it, you know what I'm saying? We were talking about it one day, and he's just like, yo, why don't you just record you playing pool and like try to record yourself and like, actually talk, and you know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm doing now, man. After that conversation, I was like, yo, you know what? I was thinking about that, man. You know, guess you just confirmed it, so I went ahead and did it, and here we are. Anyways, 4-6, so I'm gonna do 5, 7 in the same pocket. Come back for the 9 and make it here. Let's go. Golly, terrible. But you know, in pool and in life also, sometimes you think you're gonna do things a certain way and it doesn't work. So can't bitch about it, can't be mad about it for sure. So I just gotta play with your cards. Of course, if I was in a real match, I'd probably try to play defense or something here. Bring the 7 over here, could leave the cue ball there. But since we're in this video, I'm just gonna try to make it and see if we're able to run it out. Obviously not. 4-7. All right, we are back in action. Camera died. What was that, 5-8? So I got 2 left, 2 tries left. Let's see what we got. Come back around. We'll be here. Either draw or go rail, come back. So let's see where it takes us. I'm gonna try to do a rail though. Probably leave somewhere right here. And I did not execute it the way I wanted to, but it's okay. Just kind of top center a little bit. The top right, kinda, just above the center. Get it smooth. Last ball, baby. About last balls, man, I'm sure you guys have seen videos on YouTube about this, and I fell victim to it too. It's like you try to do the last ball and you try to like slow roll it, to make sure it doesn't get out of the pocket or whatever. And you know, they always say like, make sure you do your full stroke so that it feels normal. It doesn't feel abnormal, especially if you like to let your stroke out. So I've been taking that into consideration, man. Like I deal with it. Of course, I miss. You miss when you do slow roll. You miss when you hit it hard. So I'd rather shoot it. And I've missed before where I try to like just ram the ball in the pocket, but especially on like a 9 ball or a 10 ball. And you know, you just deal with it, man. You know, shit happens all the time. So deal with it as you go. Make a decision and be okay with it. It's not life or death. So you know what I'm saying? Can't take it that serious. All right. So over there, come back. I'll probably just let it stay somewhere here, so I have a kind of like a normal angle for the 6. Make it here, come back. And I don't know if I should stay around here or come back all the way there for the 7 on the side. I guess we're gonna try. We can try 7 on the side this way. Let's go. Just chill shot. Oh, terrible. Retry. It's like 6-10, but let's retry. Oh, retry again. Oh man. I don't know if I'm gonna edit this out. No, I'm not going to. Oh, this is bad. All right. So I think that's all about it. I'm gonna try to see how this recording goes. And yeah, like I said, man, try your new stuff. And don't be afraid to try, man, because I know there's gonna be a lot of haters, especially when you're trying new stuff, but you know, that's where you separate yourself from everybody else by not giving a fuck. And just keep trying shit, for real. Peace.
Produce, mix, master, engineer, written by me.